Hi there, welcome back to the AutomationEdge training. In this video, we will explore the process of automating various user actions on a website, such as data entry, interaction with radio buttons, checkboxes, drop-down list, and more. We will demonstrate it through a straightforward use case. Let's examine the use case. In this scenario, we will fill out a practice form and submit it. So to begin, we will open a website using Google Chrome browser. Next, we will put input details such as name and email address. Then we will select the gender from a drop-down list. We will select the years of experience from set of radio buttons and check the appropriate checkboxes for specifying skills. Finally, we will click on submit button and we will handle the alert. Now let's have a look at the website. Here we will fill out various details like full name, email, gender, year of experience, skills, and click on submit button. To automate these operations, we are going to use various GUI plugins like GUI Start Browser, GUI Set Value, GUI Mouse Actions, GUI Combo Box Actions, GUI Web Alert, and GUI Exit Browser. Let's proceed with the implementation. In Process Studio, we have created a workflow form filling demo. To start with web automation, the first step is to use GUI Start Browser. Let's add the step and configure it. To add the step, go to Design, search for Start, double click. Let's configure the step. Check Start Node checkbox. Select Browser as Google Chrome. Specify web URL. Go for General Settings. Check Clear Browser Instances. If we want, we can change value of page load timeout and delay. Delay is an explicit wait time that specifies the time allowed to locate and perform any action on web element. Otherwise, the workflow errors out. This delay applies to all the steps following Start Browser in the workflow. Click on OK to complete the configuration. In the previous video, Introduction to Web Spy, we saw that a workflow can be created and a Start Browser step can be added directly using GUI Spy. If you have not watched that video yet, kindly do watch it. Let's open the website through GUI Spy to inspect element and generate further steps. Go to Tools, Spy, GUI Spy. Uncheck Windows Automation. Specify URL. Click on Go. Now let's start with the actions. First we want to enter full name. So start spying. Select the step. Right shift. So see the attributes. In action, we want to enter the value. So select set values. Give step name. So set value name. Specify value which we want to enter. Criteria can be name. Click on generate. So in Process Studio, you can see the step is added. Similarly, we want to add email. So generate step. Here again action would be set value. Specify step name. Specify value. Criteria can be ID. Click on generate. Next we want to select gender from drop down list. So spy the element. Here you can see the tag name is select, and in action we are going to select combo box action. Give a step name. In combo box, selection can be made by index or value or visible text. So we will go for visible text and we will specify selection value. Criteria can be XPath. Click on generate. So this combo box action plugin step is added. For years of experience, we have set of radio buttons. So we have to go to specific radio buttons and perform click operation on the same. So let's generate step. You can see the attribute. In action, we are going to go for mouse action. Step name, say mouse action experience. Action type would be single click criteria can be XPath, click on generate. So you can see here mouse action plugin step is added. Next we want to select skills. So we want to select manual testing and automation testing. So let's spy it. You can see here the XPath is @ID is equal to IP. Let's see attribute of other checkboxes as well. You can see the XPath is same. So it is same for all the checkboxes. So in this case, we can use index to uniquely identify each checkbox. So in action, select mouse action, specify step name, say mouse action manual, action type single click, criteria XPath, and we will say generate. We will also generate a step for automation with the same XPath. Let's rearrange the steps. Now here we will configure the step and specify index in XPath. Similarly for automation. Finally, we have to click on submit button. So let's spy it. Here action would be again mouse action. So step name mouse action submit, action type single click, criteria XPath. So let's say generate. Now on website when we click on submit, an alert appears. We need to handle this alert. For that we use the step GUI Web Alert. So let's add the step and configure it. Let's close the spy, search for Web Alert, add the step, connect and configure. Here we have to specify web browser name and alert operations. There are three available options: default alert, which support only a single action; confirm alert, which present the option to accept or cancel; and prompt alert, which also allows entry of a value. So in this case we will use default alert, click on OK to complete the configuration. Then add exit browser step, save the workflow and execute it. You can see the website is launched, details are filled, gender is selected, skills are selected, submit button is clicked and alert is handled. So our use case implementation is completed. That's how with AutomationEdge, GUI automation becomes not only easy but also highly efficient. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.